ABCD is a square. The point A has coordinates -5, 2. Point B has coordinates 3, 5. Find the equation of the line that passes through BC. Give your answer in the form AX plus BY plus C equals 0. Okay, now I like to make a rough sketch here. So imagine 0, 0 is there. So -5, 2. That's your coordinate A. 3, 5 is your coordinate B. So we know it's a square. So CD. So two things you need to do with these types of questions is have a think about the properties of the shape and have a think about the skills you know for this topic. Topic's coordinate geometry, so we can find the gradient, the midpoint. Now, what are the properties of the distance, the length of a line as well we can find? The properties of a square, they're at right angles. The lines are perpendicular, right? So we might know some things about perpendicular lines. Also, for a square, the length of the lines are the same. So the first thing I'm considering here is, well, we know AB is parallel to DC. They would have the same gradient, right? And we know AD is perpendicular to them. So they have, well, so the gradients multiply to give -1. Right, so let's get the gradient of AB then. You should know the formula for this. Okay, let me label them x1, y1, x2, y2. And we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 gives us the gradient. So the gradient for AB is 3/8, which means the gradient of DC is the same. So AB we actually want the equation of the line BC. So we can actually find the gradient of this line because we know the gradient of AB times the gradient of BC is equal to -1. Divide both sides by 3/8 gives us -8/3 for the gradient of BC. So we need the equation of the line BC. This is the general formula for the gradient of a line. What do we know here? We know M. Can we find C? Well, we do know a coordinate point on this line, 3, 5. So if we sub 3, 5 into this equation, we should be able to find the value for C. Y is 5. Add 8 to both sides. So now we know y is equal to -8/3x plus 13. But we want the answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. The first thing I need to do is make a, b, and c into integers. I'm going to multiply through by 3, so I need to multiply every term in here by 3. And then I need to collect all my terms. I'm going to on the left-hand side. So add 8x to both sides, minus 39 to both sides. So my final answer here is 8x plus 3y minus 39 is equal to 0.